Okay, the battery on my other camera died, so I switched cameras. You can see the engine is clean. If you look down here, you can see the radiator's been pushed just a little bit. On the passenger side, there's not too much damage. The fender is a little beat up, but repairable. The primary damage was all on the driver's side and the front. You can see headlights gone, wires intact. This fender is damaged, ripped, and then it's scratched the whole way through. The mirror is missing. And you can see there's a scratch, goes the whole way. Most of it can be repaired, but in some areas, like down here, it's pretty bad. The other areas are really just small scratches. This is really going in, as well as right there. I have two separate tires on the driver's side. Both of them were damaged. I have the originals. One of them can be replaced. The other one needs to be repaired. And that is pretty much it for the outside of the car. The windshield's cracked. It's a nice car. It just needs a little bit of love, and you can bring it back to the way it was. Can't really see the crack there. And that's about it. The inside I'm going to take pictures of so you'll be able to see it. This was my car. I am a private seller, and it does have a salvage title now. Oh, the trunk's locked. Oh, just can see me there. Not much to see in the trunk anyways. And that's about it. So it's all body work pretty much. Engine, transmission fine. And that's it. See the pictures and email me for any more details.